How to create a Windows bootable USB drive. Now this can be done easily using the PC No Problems program. And not only create a bootable USB drive, you can also download Windows, get useful tips, and add bypasses for Windows 11 requirements to the bootable flash drive, hardware checks, and mandatory Microsoft account sign-in. Now, PC No Problems makes it possible to reduce the number of installed utilities by one more. Everything needed to maintain Windows should be inside one small program in a convenient format. And now, let's go into details. From the very first version of PC No Problems, the page that recommended which Windows version to install and helped download Windows was the main one. Over the course of 2 years, the program was constantly updated and gained more and more features, becoming more advanced. However, this Windows installation page remained almost unchanged and not very useful. I really wanted to make it functional, and finally, it has happened. Thank you to everyone who purchases the Pro version of the program. This not only allows you to use all features, but also supports its further development. When I see that you appreciate the program, it motivates me to dedicate more time to working on it. Your positive feedback in the comments is also very motivating. So if you have something good to say, don't keep it inside. Leave a comment under the video. If you have watched previous videos, you know that one of the main goals of PC No Problems is to combine convenient features from different programs into one. Instead of installing several utilities, for example, one to clean cache, another to disable Windows Defender, a third to turn off Windows updates, a fourth to create bootable USB drives, and so on, I wanted everything that is needed and convenient for me to be inside one program. And now, PC No Problems can also create Windows bootable USB drives. And it is completely free, just like in other similar programs. This section of the program is called Installation. On the first tab, just like in the very first versions of the program, you will see your PC specifications and recommendations. They are now simpler. I no longer recommend Windows 7, and I do not separate Home and Pro versions, since after optimization through disabling services and removing built-in apps, the differences between them disappear. Next, for your convenience, are buttons for downloading Windows installation images. A button that leads to the official Microsoft website. Whether you choose Windows 10 or Windows 11, the button will redirect you to the corresponding page. The second button leads to a free service that I personally use and demonstrate in this video in more detail. It allows downloading any build and any edition of Windows 10 or 11. The service prepares a script which downloads components from Microsoft servers via the command line and then builds an ISO image. The third button is an advertisement for a website selling digital license keys for Windows and Office, ulep.top. Below that are links to tutorial videos from the PC No Problems YouTube channel. If you've forgotten how to install Windows or how to use the website for downloading builds, just watch the videos. Once the image is downloaded, we move on to writing the USB drive. Insert the USB flash drive and it will be automatically detected. A check is built in to ensure that only a removable device is detected so you don't accidentally format one of your disk partitions. In the next line, select the downloaded ISO image. Next to it are two buttons, Mount and Unmount. The Mount button immediately mounts the image in the system. In some cases, it may not be necessary to write it to a USB drive at all. For example, if you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you can start the installation directly from the mounted disk. You can also use this method for reinstallation. Just choose Custom Installation instead of Upgrade during setup. The Unmount button accordingly unmounts the image and it disappears from the list of drives. Below are checkboxes for your convenience. Bypass hardware requirements. When enabled, an answer file is added to the bootable USB drive that performs all the necessary actions automatically. Create a local account. This option also adds an answer file. With these tweaks, the installation process is faster. You will only need to choose the language and keyboard layout. Privacy settings at the end of installation will be disabled if you enable one of these checkboxes. I recommend disabling them so that your data is not sent to Microsoft. Click Start and do not touch the program, the mounted image, or the USB drive. Wait until the writing process is finished and then use the USB drive. At any time, you can stop the process by clicking the Cancel button. A few important details. The program is designed only for x64 systems. In 2025, I strongly recommend using 64-bit Windows. For better compatibility, the USB drive will be formatted as FAT32, which allows booting in most BIOS and UEFI configurations. However, if the disk image is too large, as in recent Windows 11 builds where the install.wim file is larger than 5 GB, FAT32 cannot be used because it does not support files larger than 4 GB. In this case, PC No Problems will format the USB drive as NTFS. Modern UEFI systems support it, but older computers may have problems. That is why it is better to install older operating systems on older hardware, at least Windows 10, which is more compatible with various devices. Try using PC No Problems the next time you create a Windows bootable USB drive and leave a comment about how it works for you. Also watch other videos about our program. There is a lot of useful content on the channel about working with Windows and solving various computer problems.